disaster. But we pass through, we carry some stuff and things, and we help them put on back some roof and things. You me? We go around and we see what going on. We help what we can do. You know? Do what we can do and help what we can help and things, and make sure show his support. Said we just make a don't them mash up bad. Yeah man, don't them mash up bad man, Melissa. Bad. So you just stay tuned and watch her one.
And when me hear light post come now, me run out. And when me run out, me see this one a good home. And me get up again, me see this one a come down, and me say, right, it get serious now, brother.
So when I get mostly wind or rain, or both?
Hey, I breeze, brother. Hey, you see breeze with the rain? No.
Yeah. Rasta, you pull up. Oh.
Say now.
What a tank.
Yeah, man. Give me key now.
Give me the key, man. So you give me the key to carry. Give me the key, man. Give me the key. Then you start, you know. Love you, Granny.
You're welcome.
Why?
Yes, come on.
Everything gone miles away down one gully. People take over them they don't know what they fall now done because nobody know the they look on them. Everybody round on that side of here and mash up.
Yeah, alright, yeah. Alright.
So we want to like to come here?
Yeah. Come straight to Magati, man.
Come straight to Magati?
Yeah, we come down to Appleton. Silo. Church in the Wildwoods, you know, around the
You go in the Wildwood?
Yeah. We drive Mile Gully.
So the road to go back to your place, up at your house.
You can't go, we can't go every day.
We take a drive go on.
Yeah, you can't go there, man.
Ground Pandy. Yes, ma'am.
God, David know up there. How soon you left home?
4:30 this morning.
4:30.
Portland, you might come over and catch me at town 6 o'clock.
Good to see you though. And she say, yeah, alright.
Yeah, man.
Make it out.
Me sick, but I saw.
Yeah. Make it out.
And his wife. And I want to have to take me to chop out a little walking track.
But I really know why
you go straight out where his wife daughter is.
Okay.
You understand me? Because roof go down because my mother house the bottom side.
Yeah.
You understand? And you see what zinc blow off?
Yeah.
If 20 blow off and you get back 5,
You get back.
you good, you get back no. Sky breeze blow them go lap on trees, so bend them up here some. You understand me?
You don't know good zinc again.
So, a real disaster.
You don't know good zinc again, so if you talk about, you have to talk about zinc back then. Them days it no use again, brother.
Me have a little board one out, so you know.
Yeah.
And when he do one gone with the zinc and the ply, he come back for the
Foundation. Jaja.
That's for my he can't post when me concrete in the flooring. I bottom. When he take up them there, he rent up couple like concrete. Gone with it. Just buy one stove nearly 40,000 about 3 months ago. Down in a gully, me not get it respect. Me not get it help. We take help him to see everything good. Yeah man. Yeah man. Over a storm shelter place with it right now over primary school. And then I want to put deck back in and talk his zinc back and he rent up this up. 14 away in a shelter this one. He rent it up. Rent it up. Yeah man.
So when are you sewage go now?
Like over the shelter place. It tap blow off.
No, sewage.
God, this no.
Sewage line pipe.
Yeah, man.
We don't have that a country. We don't have it up in a hillside. A pit tile it and you dig your pit and you make your flush bowl in a house. Send to your pit. Some people have them drop straight out a door. Dig hole. Some people over upon the pit, you make a job straight. No people rush and take a bathroom use and everybody you can let in your house. So you have a job straight out a door where you keep clean. Some people put flush bowl pan job straight out a door too, you know. Yeah, and connect water. Yeah man.
Yeah, man. I tell you to say, when me a come up, me can't see the house.
You couldn't see nowhere.
You see it.
You couldn't see it, man.
Yeah, play shell man.
Yeah.
Hear that?
At him tree.
You look like a long thing to fit front of your you know.
Yes, sorry.
You better put it on the front
Man, me see old, me see young, me mean hundreds. Cause seaside out there, so. Hundreds of people.
Really, man.
Yeah, man.
As rough as it is there, no, brother.
Thank you. Yeah, man, my son, you know. Yeah, man, I might do some work.